Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about the most important but probably the most overlooked part of motorcycle maintenance, and that's tyre pressure and tyre condition. First up, tyre pressure. Now, tyre pressure can affect your handling, your braking and the life of your tyres. Correct tyre pressure is going to be in your manual. It's different for every bike, and it also depends on how you're loading up your bike. So it pays to check your manual, or if you're lucky, there might be a sticker on your swing arm or your motorcycle frame. When checking your tyre pressure, make sure you always use a quality tyre pressure gauge, and make sure you check your tyre pressure when the tyres are cold. Next up, tyre condition. Now, tyre condition covers a few things from tyre tread, which should be at least 2 millimeters, or if you're lucky, your tyres will have a tyre wear indicator mark. Also, when checking your tyres, you want to check the age, which will be stamped on the side. To read this, it's 4 numbers, the first 2 being the week of the year and the last 2 being the year. When checking the tyres as well, you want to check for cracking on the sidewalls. This can be a sign of age or wear. Also checking for any nails or any objects that could be stuck in the tyre tread. Uneven wear on your tyre can be a problem as well. If your tyre looks flattened off in the middle, it can affect your handling. So if you're finding a flat spot in the middle, it's probably time to replace your tyre. Need new tyres or gear? Head to AMX Superstores.
AMX Superstores, Australia's biggest motorcycle accessories retailer.